Hello student. Now today we are going to discuss the topic transformer. Now we know in power system transformer is a very important device. First of all we will see the definition of transformer. Now transformer is a static electromagnetic device which transforms electrical energy from one circuit to another circuit without change in frequency. That is very important because it works on the constant frequency. Okay, or we can say transformer is a device which can step up and step down the electrical voltage with respect to current without change in frequency. Now, what is the need of transformer actually in power system? What is the role of transformer? What transformer is does? Now, transformer, we know the electrical energy is generated in the power plant, and that power plant or generating station is very far away from the region where the electrical energy actually consumed or utilized. Now for that purpose, we will transformer transmit the electrical power generated at power station or generating station at economical high voltage level, that is 132 kV, 400 volt to 400 kV and 765 kV, like that. 765 is the highest voltage rating in India nowadays. Now after that transmission there is a distribution of electrical energy to the sub-regions, and that is also done by the transformer. Now after distribution there is a utilization of electric at 400 volt. So that purpose, transmission and distribution purpose, transformer is used. Now again there are various applications of transformer. Transformer works as a isolator, means it isolates the two electric circuit. Now the transformer change the voltage level from one level to another level. Now a transformer is large number of transformer, that is low voltage rating transformer is generally used in electronic devices. Now special purpose transformer also there, that is called as current transformer and voltage transformer. This transformer is used for the measurement as well as protection purposes. Now we will see the working principle of transformer. Now before going to working principle of transformer, first of all we will see the schematic arrangement of transformer, how the transformer is arranged. Now we will talk about the single phase transformer in this lecture. Now after next lecture we will discuss about the three phase transformer. So our topic is single phase transformer. So basically transformer consists of two main parts. One is called as core, that is rectangular core, it is the magnetic core, and the second part is called as the winding. The second part is called as winding. Now in this case, so this is the winding which is connected to the supply, the winding which is connected to supply, that is called as primary winding, that is called as primary winding, and the winding where the load is connected, that is called as the secondary winding. This winding is called as secondary winding. Now we will talk about the single phase. So we will, this is the AC supply, that is the single phase AC supply. Okay. Now the characteristic of this transformer is that this transformer is electrically separated, means both the windings are electrically separated, but it is coupled magnetically. This core, magnetic core, is common to primary winding as well as secondary winding. This is the flux. Now in schematic arrangement, this is the N1, that is the number of primary turn. This is the N2, number of secondary turn. This is the E1, that is EMF induced in primary. This is the E2, EMF induced in secondary, and the current I2. So this is the primary side of single phase transformer. This is the secondary side of single phase transformer. Now this is the called as schematic arrangement of the transformer. Now we will see how the transformer is work. When electric supply given to the primary, the EMF is induced in the secondary. That is called as mutually induced EMF. Means in this case, the electrical energy is transferred from primary winding to secondary winding inductively or magnetically. Thank you.